Next, continuous probability distribution. Till now we have seen discrete probability distribution. In discrete probability distribution, discrete random variable is countable. So we are using the summation x from 0 to infinity or summation x from 0 to n. So in under discrete continuous probability distribution, we found out, we have seen binomial distribution and Poisson distribution, which comes under discrete probability distribution. Next is continuous probability distribution. For continuous probability distribution, the random variable x is continuous random variable x, which is uncountable. Uncountable, infinite. So we are taking the integration from minus infinity to infinity. So let us see what is meant by continuous probability distribution. Let x be a continuous random variable. F of x is probability density function or probability distribution function if f of x satisfies the following conditions. What is the conditions? First condition, f of x should be greater than or equal to 0 for all x. Second condition, integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. These two are the two conditions for continuous probability distribution function. Next, for continuous random variable, how to find mean? Mean mu is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. Next, variance v is equal to minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx minus mu square. Standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. We can see in mean, variance and standard deviation the formula similar to that of discrete probability distribution. There it was summation, here it is integration. That is the difference. Next, note first one, to find p of x greater than a, we have to find p of x greater than a or p of x less than or equal to a. How to find? To find p of x greater than a, we have to integrate from a to infinity f of x dx. What is f of x? F of x is a given probability density function. Second note, to find p of x less than a or p of x less than or equal to a, we are integrating minus infinity up to a f of x dx. Third one, to find p of x less than b greater than e, between a and b or less than or equal to b greater than or equal to a, it is integration from a to b f of x dx. Problem on continuous random variable. The probability density function of variable x is f of x is equal to kx square, x less than 3 greater than 0, 0 otherwise. Find k, also find p of x less than or equal to 1, also p of x between 1 and 2, p of x greater than 1, mean and variance we have to find out. To find k, since f of x is probability density function, we have to use a condition integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. So here we have to split the integral into three parts: minus infinity to 0, 0 to 3, 3 to infinity. Minus infinity to 0, f of x is 0, by given f of x is kx square between 0 and 3, between 0 and 3, otherwise it is 0. So between 0 and 3 it is kx square Beyond that, minus infinity to 0 also 0, 3 to infinity also 0. So next, integral of kx square is kx cube by 3, 0 to 3 now is equal to 1, implies k 3 cube by 3 minus 0 by 3 is equal to 1. So we get k into 9 is equal to 1, we get k is equal to 1 by 9. K is equal to 1 by 9. Next, to find p of x less than or equal to 1. P of x less than or equal to 1, it is from minus infinity up to 1, f of x dx. So it is minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1. Minus infinity to 0, f of x 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 3 kx square, 0 to 1 also kx square dx. So k is constant, k 0 to 1 x square dx. So next step, k into x cube by 3, 0 to 1. So we get 1 by 9, 1 cube by 3, it is 1 by 27. Next, to find p of x between 1 and 2, we have to integrate from 1 to 2 f of x dx. F of x is what we have to write, a kx square, k integral 1 to 2 x square dx. So it is after simplifying we get 7 by 27. To find mean, formula, mean is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. So minus infinity to 0, x f of x dx, 0 to 3, 3 to infinity. So f of x is 0, so these two will be 0. Only 0 to 3 we have k x into f of x is kx square dx. So k is constant, we x square into x, x cube dx. The integral of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4. After simplification we get 81 by 36. To find variance, variance is equal to integral x square integral minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx. So integral minus mu square. Integral minus infinity to infinity, we can write it as 0 to 3, otherwise it is 0. So 0 to 3 x square f of x dx. We have mu is 9 by 4. The answer is substituted here, mu is the mean. Now integral 0 to 3 x square kx square dx. So that is x to the power 4. So we get x to the power 5 by 5. 0 to 3. On simplification we get 0.3375. Next, the second problem, the PDF of a continuous random variable is given by f of x is equal to kx into 1 minus x e power x less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0, 0 otherwise. So to find k and mean, here the function f of x 0 to 1, it is kx 1 minus x e power x, otherwise 0. So integration also we have to take 0 to 1. So answer, to find k same condition, then integral 0 to 1, since otherwise 0 we have to take 0 to 1. Substitute what is f of x is equal to 1. So k is constant, we get x minus x square e power x dx equal to 1. Then we have to integrate this x minus x square e power dx. So we will use the formula, first function integral of second minus derivative of first integral of second plus derivative of this integral of the second function. So what is that? K into first function x into minus x square integral of e power x is e power x. Next minus sign, Derivative of x minus x square is 1 minus 2x. Integration of e power x is same. Then derivative of 1 minus 2x is minus 2. Integral of e power x is same. So that is 0 to 1 is equal to 1. Next k, when you substitute k x equal to 1 first term, x equal to 1 second term, third term. When you take 0, x 0, first term 0, second term 1 minus 2 into 0, so e to the power 0. Last term minus 2 e to the power 0 equal to 1. So on simplifying, we get this, next we get this, next k is 1 by 3 minus e. To find mean, what is the formula to find mean? Mean is equal to minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. So x into what is f of x, that we have to substitute. Integral from 0 to 1. Now k is constant, remaining term is written. Next x square minus x cube e power x dx. The integration from 0 to 1, x square minus x cube e power x. That also done by extension of integration by parts, alternate minus plus minus sign. First into integral of second, again derivative integral minus derivative integral. So we get this after simplification. Next k into 3e minus 8 we get. So the answer k is substituted 1 by 3 minus e. Last answer 0.55. Next third problem, a continuous variable x as a density function p of x is kx 0 to 5 kx, otherwise 0. So find k, p of x less than or equal to 3, p of x between 1 and 3, mean, variance, standard deviation. It is similar to the previous problems. Here 0 to 5, it is kx, otherwise 0. So we have to take 0 to 5. Integral from 0 to 5 f of x dx for all. Next, here 1 to 3 is there, 0 to 5. Inside 0 to 5, 1 to 3 comes. So instead of 0 to 5, for this 1 to 3. For this less than or equal to 3, 0 to 3. Then mean, variance, standard deviation we have to find out.